Incredible organizations realize that the employees are the core of the business. Fulfilled and engaged employees would acquire positive energy to the work environment and increment the organization's profit and sales. Unconcerned employees could be a deterrent to the workplace as they can empty the rest of their associates' positive energy. Engaged employees are an upgrade and enhancement to any organization. Employees who feel they have an excellent personal rapport with their management are more bound to be locked in and engaged. Not just that, employees would feel acknowledged when they or their work gets noticed, and this empowers productive and constructive employee commitment and engagement. Here are the cost strategies that leadership success can incorporate to empower and encourage employee rewards and recognition. Request employees and management to choose vote for the Employee of the Month. When the management conveys the Employee of the Month award, they must be explicit the leadership success concerning why such employee deserved it and could be either written out or openly explained during the monthly team meeting. Like this, other employees would gain from it and work harder the next month. The triumphant employee that the organization perceives will be charmed and delighted that their work was noticed and acknowledged. Reward the team or department that shows incredible accomplishment. Besides recognizing and awarding Employee of the Month, management could likewise remunerate the team that has achieved or functioned admirably together. Rewards and recognitions could be as straightforward as lunch with the management, shopping voucher, or even film tickets to partake in together after work and bond on an individual level out of the work environment. It encourages representatives to cooperate as a team and not similarly as an individual frequently. Starting an employee gratefulness and appreciation program. Management could begin an appreciation program for the employee that shows positive characteristics in the work environment. Focuses could be granted to the employee for simple errands like helping their colleagues to their punctuality or any other elements. These points gathered toward the end of the week or month could be reclaimed for small prizes like shopping vouchers or certain advantages like leaving a half-hour early one day. Rehearsing and practicing such an employee reward and recognition program can reinforce employee commitment and engagement. Perceive your employees' accomplishments. Employees will like and appreciate it when management recognize their achievements. Like donating blood to the Red Cross to getting the keys to their new house, getting seen out of the workplace causes the employee to feel increased in value. Even though everything the management did was to recognize these individual achievements, employees don't feel that management just concern was about work yet and the employee's activities out of work. Communicating and expressing interest in your employee's professional development. Expressing interest in the employee's professional advancement doesn't mean paying for their schooling or courses. It only implies that management is keen on understanding their employees' objectives and supporting them in attempting to accomplish them. Looking out for courses and sending them messages and emails about them, helping them achieve their goals quicker. Employees will like the interest and direction of accomplishing their fantasies given by their administration. Call an employee to your office to express gratitude toward them. Regularly when an employee gets sent to the management's office, they expect to be the most noticeably terrible. Calling them and having a short brief visit with them and mentioning them what great employment they have been doing would cause them to feel quiet and even motivate them to buckle down. When saying a simple, "thank you," is relatively hard, there are times that attempt any one of these extraordinary approaches to communicate thank you to your employees. They would be particularly satisfied to receive honest appreciation and gratitude for a job done the right way. Post and follow a festival schedule in the work environment. Management ought to celebrate employees' birthdays and their employment anniversaries. It doesn't host a surprise party with their family included and lavish them with expensive gifts. It could be as essential as a birthday cake with a shopping voucher or a birthday card with entertaining notes composed on it by the rest of the employees. Conclusion. There are many other inexpensive ways for management to show the employees the recognition that they merited and deserved. Once in a while by the end of the day, the two most underused words in any organization are the exact words, "thank you." Whichever strategy utilized or rehearsed, make sure to make it a custom ritual and not merely a once-off. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.